Okay, sirs. Landing lights, takeoff lights, runway lights, strobies, takeoff config test, normal. That's great news. Am I set? Did I forget anything?
Extremely important.
Ground spoilers are armed. Auto brake max. Okay, guys. It is gonna be fucking toga time. And we're stable, so man toga. Man toga, SRS green, runway green. Fantastic. Airspeed is live. Let's go. Let's try to stay center line. And I'm having a lot of, like a hard time here, boys. 100 knots. Checked. V1. Rotate. Oh my fucking god. Positive rate of climb. Gear up. Leggy! 16,000 American 943.